This is the most easy brown smoky eye tutorial you will see online and I promise you इसे अगर आपने लास्ट तक देख लिया you will learn smoky eye makeup. So I'm showcasing you two photos over here to give you the reference because I'm going to explain you step by step. So till this point, which is your crease, your eyeshadow has to become most darker and above this point it has to look lighter. Now we are covering our full lid with a smudgeable gel liner and I'm using a fluffy blending blush over here. Your eyeshadow has to look lighter above the crease line and darkest near the lash line. Now you know our eye looks like a dome shape, something like an igloo, right? So we have to follow that pattern. We don't have to make a square or something. Make sure the inner corner of the eye should remain clean so that we can put another color over there that we are going to see later. Right now, our only aim is to pack this color with the gel eyeliner and then we are going to put a darker color eyeshadow on top of it. Here I have taken this Milani palette and this color. Now I'm packing this cream gel eyeshadow with the powder eyeshadow so that it doesn't move. Now you can't make your eyeshadow look this dark and end it like this. So you need gradations. That's why we put lighter colors above the crease. Here I am doing the same. I have taken a lighter color. I am using 3 motions over here. Viper motion, circular motion and sweeping motion. Sweeping motion is to move the product a little. That's what you can take help of and then you can make the gradation happen. That's how your colors look well blended on the eye and that's how our eyeshadow, our eye look will look super beautiful and will look really nice and clean. Now to give more depth to this eyeshadow, I'm taking this black gel liner on 4 areas. First, I'm going to apply it on the upper lash line so that my lashes should look heavy and basically our smoky eye has to look more smoky. That's why we take black gel liner. I'm going to apply this and then I'm going to blend this little by little with this brush and then what do? We pack the cream with powder. So that's what we are doing over here. I'm smudging it with a black eyeshadow only and that's how the gradation will happen. That's how your eyes look so beautiful. Now the next step is very important. We are going to fill this gel liner, specifically gel liner. Sometimes we can also take the non-smudgeable ones because if your eyes tear, then this step is gonna get ruined and your under eye will also get ruined. So try taking the non-smudgeable gel liners, apply it on the upper lash line and lower lash line and you can also take breaks. I haven't taken a break over here and if you get tear, that's how you catch tears. Okay, this is a pro tip that you need in your life. Now watch this step very carefully. Whatever the gradation happened on the upper lash line, that same thing we are going to repeat on the lower lash line. First the black color, then we have applied the dark brown color and then we are going to apply that orange color. That's when our eyes look very professional and very well blended. अगर आप इसे यहीं छोड़ दोगे तो ये काफ़ी weird लगेगी और blended भी नहीं लगेगी. इनर कॉर्नर में मैं डार्क ब्राउन कलर नहीं लगा रही हूँ. I have finished it till here and then I'm going to blend it properly. इसके बाद हम ये orange color लगाएंगे because that's how a sunset happens and that's how a well blended smoky eye looks like. So I'm using the same brushes only and with these 2-3 brushes only you can achieve these smoky eyes. So it's nothing to be afraid about, it's just the technique and that's how your eyes look so bigger, so beautiful in all the Bollywood movies and I do this on many of my brides all the time. Now next step is to apply the lash. If you want to see a proper tutorial of lash application, I have that on my channel as well. Right now I'm just applying it in front of you to showcase what and how the change comes in the smoky eye. In smoky eye, the lashes plays biggest role because otherwise your lashes won't pop up. Already there is so many colors on your eye, your lashes tends to camouflage in those colors. So you need to apply fake lashes, especially in party makeups. Now I'm merging these lashes by curling them together and Just in case if your eyeshadow looks little dark somewhere, you can always take the help of a Q-tip, which is like an earbud, and just remove the ends of it, and it's gonna look super well blended. Now to pop the inner corner, I have applied golden colored eyeshadow on the inner corner so that my eye should not look dark from the inner corner, and it should pop as well. The last step is mascara. Mascara glues down your natural lashes and your fake lashes together and removes all the powder from the lashes as well. Sometimes, the eyeshadow falls on the lashes and it looks really bad. So you need mascara. And that's how we achieve the smoky eye look. Let me know if you have any questions, and I shall see you in next one.